Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your own Netflix account. Maybe you're tired of sharing, tired of asking for password, or you're just tired of getting locked out. Now it's time to get your own Netflix account. So it's really easy. Just get to any browser and then go to netflix.com, and it might add your country which detects your location, but that's fine. So this is the sign up page, and the first button right here is sign in. If you don't click because you don't have an account, sign in to sign up button is this a very cheeky button they put the here telling you to try 30 days for a free, which is true because when you sign up for Netflix account you get a free month of streaming for whatever package you choose. So this is literally like the sign up button, so just click on it. It should tell you that first step is to choose your plan. So click on see the plans to actually see the plans, and here there are three plans for you can choose from, and choosing a plan basically depends on a couple of things. Number one is, do you want to watch in HD? If you don't need HD, then this plan is okay with you. If you want HD, this one is okay with you. If you want Ultra HD, that is 4K streaming, assuming you have the internet connection and the device to actually watch in 4K, this is a plan for you. Then also you should consider the number of screens that you want watch on at the same time. So with this basic package you can watch only on one screen at a time, and this one you can stream up to two devices at the same time, and with the premium package you can stream up to four devices. So it's a choice really. And the last thing you want to consider is how much you are ready to pay every month for Netflix, or every month for which you want to watch Netflix, because you are going to be paying this or this or this amount after the first free trial period. So all those factors will help you eventually decide which plan you want. Personally for me, I'm going hard, I'm going premium as usual. So I'll click on premium, make sure it's selected, and click on continue, and then click on continue again. And then on this page, to create your account, just provide your email and your password, and make sure this email is an active email, because you'll be required to sign in to it, verify that email and verify that account. So enter your mail, then select a password, and you can choose if you want to get emails on Netflix special offers. If you don't, just leave it blank and then click on continue. And then on the next page you want to choose how you are going to be paying after the trial period is over. So if you have a Visa card or a MasterCard or any bank card that you want to use to be paying, click on that and then enter the card details right there. If not, if you want to use PayPal for instance, just click on that, continue to PayPal to enter your PayPal details, sign into your PayPal account and authorize, which is what I'm going to do right now. Then I'll click on login to authorize Netflix to access my PayPal account. So click on agree and continue. So once you get finished adding your payment information, they are going to basically deduct some amount of money and then return it into your card, which is their way of verifying that you are the owner of that credit card or the PayPal account that you choose. But as soon as that's done, you can start streaming Netflix for free for a whole month, and then after 1 month you can now start paying to continue streaming using the payment method that you choose. So that's basically how to create a Netflix account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.